This is one of the new flippers for 2020 at Walmart, and I really love the handle shape on that. The centering is horrible on this one, but I can adjust it. When I was buying it, I was looking for the liner lock as far as the placement of it, and there you go, $4.87. Standard, classic, whatever blade. This handle feels really semi-rubbery. I don't know what it is. I know it's some type of plastic, but I don't know if it's coated. But the thing that really caught my attention, I was thinking that maybe this had bearings, because it really is smooth. It's decently sharp, but if you look, let me see if I can get, where's my flashlight? Oh, it's right here. I can't get a real good picture of it right now since technically I'm supposed to be working, but it looks like bronze phosphorus washers in there. They're small, but they're not white plastic ones. Oops. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. It's one of the new 2020 Ozark trail knives at Walmart in their holiday displays. Anyway, enjoy. Okay, so yeah. Oh, come on, focus. If you can see that bronze coloring, they're both on both sides. They are bronze washers, and that might be part of the reason why it opens and closes so smooth. But anyway, come on, there you go, right there. So what do you think, huh? $4.87. I really like that handle shape though.